Question number 1. During the appendectomy, the surgeon approaches the base of the appendix through the McBurney's point, mesoappendix, tinea coli, or laparotomy. What do you think is the right answer? Because McBurney's point is also the one where you can see the maximum palpation. Okay, mesoappendix is the peritoneal covering of the appendix, tinea coli, okay, or laparotomy. So the answer will be the tinea coli, because as we said that wherein the all the three types of tinea coli converge, that part is known as the base of appendix. So the surgeon approaches the base of appendix through the tinea coli that I have already mentioned in the slide. The commonest anatomical portion of appendix is So the third question where it says that appendix is characterized by appendices, epiploidy, mesentery, tinea coli, circulation. So I right answer for this is tinea coli is of cecum, circulations is of cecum, and appendices epiploidy is also of sigmoid colon. So the only options remaining here is the mesentery. That's why the correct answer is the mesentery in this question. Although this question is bit not clear, but actually if you see then all the options like A, C and D, you won't see it in appendix. And mesentery you can see, you know, appendix you can see, although mesentery is only written here. So if you have to see the best answer in this list, list, if in this option which are not so much related with appendix, you can go with mesentery. So this is kind of controversial question I found there. So now question number 4 is which is not included in the position of appendix. So there is paracolic, retrocolic. So I don't think there is anything called as precolic. Okay, there is nothing called as the precolic. I know that in one of these discussions where we were learning about the splenic artery, we said that post or pre, but in that it was under the splenic artery. It's not there is not such position called precolic, okay, on our classification. So that's why this is not the answer. And during the, okay, so this is where we are going on. And question number 5, the last questions for today is true statement about the appendix is it does not have mesentery, has tinea coli, develops from midgut, supplied by the appendicular branch of ileocolic artery. And I think the very true statement here is C and D both. Actually C and D both are right. It develops from midgut and also supplied by the appendicular branch of the ileocolic artery, which I've already mentioned on all previous slides. So that's why we complete now all our lecture on appendectomy, appendix. And I hope that you are able to understand. Trust me guys, if you read this much, you don't need to go through any books or anything for this topic. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have more questions, then you can post it down in comment section. And also you can ask me for any topic you want me to teach you or make videos on. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.